Graphic design is a powerful means of communication, utilizing colors, shapes, images, and words to craft captivating visual content that envelopes us in various forms, such as print and digital media. In 2024, a dependable inkjet printer stands out among the indispensable tools for any graphic designer. Selecting the right one is crucial, as it should be capable of producing prints of exceptional quality, accommodating diverse paper sizes and types, and providing cost-effective solutions for graphic design projects. If you are wondering about a printer that can cater to all your graphic design needs, then you have arrived at the honorable spot. We have listed the top 5 best inkjet printers for graphic design in 2024 and their dominant features so you can make an informed decision. We have also included the link to each inkjet printer in the description box so you can purchase them directly without any kind of inconvenience. Number 1 is the PUNEHOD AL1800, a 3DTF printer. The PUNEHOD AL1800, a 3DTF printer, stands out as a remarkable discovery among the top inkjet printers for graphic design in 2024. In the ever-evolving and fast-paced realm of color printing, this printer shines with its exceptional features and capabilities that push the boundaries of creativity and innovation. It holds the potential to revolutionize the professional design industry entirely. Unleash your creativity with this printer, offering a spacious canvas measuring 33.45 x 17.25 x 12.8 inches. Enjoy uninterrupted printing to the generous 100-sheet input capacity. The kit includes 5 250 ml DTF ink bottles and a bundle of 3 film sheets, allowing you to dive into your projects immediately without any pre-processing hiccups. Unlike traditional DTG printers, print placement is effortless. Simply add ink and start, saving both money and effort. The printer's highly efficient white ink circulation system effectively prevents clogs and issues timely warnings when ink levels are running low. This not only minimizes potential losses, but also showcases its exceptional versatility in accommodating a wide range of materials such as fabrics, leather, bags, shoes, and more. As a result, it has become the preferred choice for industries spanning from fashion to handicrafts, offering unparalleled performance and reliability. If you're interested in this printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 2 is the HP Designjet T600 and 50 plotter color printer. The HP Designjet T600 plotter color printer is the ultimate choice for graphic design in the ever-evolving realm of creative design in 2024. The Designjet T650 effortlessly caters to your printing needs with the ability to handle media sizes up to 36 inches wide for large format projects, as well as sheets up to 13 inches by 19 inches. Professionals will appreciate its versatility, as the included automatic sheet feeder accessory streamlines the printing process. This space-efficient marvel provides ample room for your imagination to flourish, to its compact dimensions of 23.8 x 51.9 x 36.7 inches. Setting it apart from other products is its remarkable ink-saving feature, reducing regular maintenance ink usage by 95%. Not only does this innovation outshine its competitors, but it also delivers significant cost savings and leaves a smaller carbon footprint in its wake. The printer offers seamless connectivity options such as Gigabit Ethernet, 1000 base T, high-speed USB 2.0, and Wi-Fi 800 and 2.11, ensuring maximum flexibility and convenience for all graphic printing needs. With lightning-fast print speeds, it can produce an A1/D size page in just 25 seconds. Moreover, its impressive 1 GB memory ensures smooth handling of even the most intricate projects. The Designjet T650 sets a new standard for efficiency and performance, delivering exceptional results every time. If you're interested in this plotter color printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 3 is the HP Designjet T230 plotter color printer. The HP Designjet T230 plotter color printer is an immaculate option for graphic designers, artists, architects, and engineers seeking the highest quality color printing experience for their intricate drawings and graphic designs in 2024. This printer effortlessly handles media up to 24 inches wide, making it ideal for large format projects. For added convenience, the optional automatic sheet feeder accessory allows you to work effortlessly on sheets as large as 13 x 19 inches, providing the utmost versatility that artists, architects, and engineers desire. With its advanced technology, this plotter printer surpasses competitors by utilizing up to 95% less ink for routine maintenance. This not only makes it environmentally friendly, but also cost-effective throughout the entire printing process. It features a maximum input sheet capacity of 500 and compact dimensions of 40 x 11, 17 inches. Further, it operates with high energy efficiency, consuming only 35 watts, and offers a range of connectivity options, including Gigabit Ethernet, high-speed USB 2.0, and Wi-Fi 800 and 2.11. The HP Designjet T230 is an exceptional printer that delivers rapid print speeds, allowing you to effortlessly print your A1/D size designs and drawings in just 45 seconds per page, resulting in an impressive output of 59 A1/D size prints per hour. With its ample 500 megabytes of memory, this printer is perfectly equipped to handle complex tasks with utmost efficiency. Moreover, it utilizes HP 712 original ink cartridges, ensuring vibrant and vivid colors in all your prints. If you want to purchase this color printer right now, check out the link given in the description box. Number 4 is the HP Designjet T600 wireless color printer. The HP Designjet T600 wireless inkjet color printer is a versatile all-in-one solution for graphic designs in 2024. It rightfully claims to be the ultimate color printer for professional printing needs. With a maximum sheet size of 13 x 19 inches and a maximum media width of 24 inches, it effortlessly handles both large format and wide format printing tasks. The automated sheet feeding attachment ensures efficient and rapid printing, while the horizontal cutter ensures consistently precise cuts. The HP printer stands out with its unique one-click printing functionality. With a simple click, you can effortlessly print multiple files, streamlining your workflow. Moreover, this printer offers a wide range of connectivity options, including Wi-Fi 800 and 2.11 bits / Gigabit Ethernet, and high-speed USB 2.0, enabling you to print from virtually anywhere. This printer delivers an impressive performance with a stunning output of 76 A1/D size prints per hour and a speedy 30-second print time per page for a 1/D size. It boasts 1 GB of RAM for seamless operation. Not only does it effortlessly handle multi-size a 3/B and a 1/D or a 0/E projects, but it is also a cost-effective choice. With HP Designjet ink cartridges like the 2-pack 80ml black and a range of color options, you can expect vibrant and precise prints for your graphic designs and documents. If you're interested in this inkjet printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 5 is the Epson Surecolar P900 17-inch printer. The Epson Surecolar P900 17-inch printer is a revolutionary choice that elevates your graphics prints to new levels of brilliance in 2024. This printer revolves around an extraordinary 10-channel micro-piezo AMC print bed, a technological marvel that consistently produces prints with astonishing precision, unwavering consistency, and remarkable speed. This incredible technological marvel offers an astounding solution with boundless potential. Its impressive input sheet capacity of 120 and 17-inch sheet size enables you to tackle large-scale creative projects without the constant need to reload paper. With its compact size, it is a 23% smaller iteration than its predecessor, making it a space-saving powerhouse for your studio. It can easily handle rolls and sheet media up to 1.5 millimeters thick, including Epson Professional, signature-worthy, legacy papers, and even third-party options. The design prioritizes user-friendliness, boasting a customizable 4.3 touchscreen, wireless connectivity, and an interior LED light for quick and convenient operation. The industry-leading print permanence ensures your brochure's endurance for 200 years in color and an astounding 400 years in black and white. If you're interested in this color printer, check out the link in the description box below. After reviewing each of the top 5 best inkjet printers for graphic design in 2024, you now have a clear idea of which one you should go for. Hope you have found this video to be valuable and informative. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For the latest updates and more such videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care.